As people get older, their muscles can start to weaken more quickly. A doctor advises consuming 2 specific things and engaging in 2 activities. The earlier these habits are started, the better they can prevent muscle deterioration. Take Aunt Joan, 59 years old. She has always been active since retiring, but lately she's noticed back pain and fatigue after short walks. Even standing up straight has become difficult for her. Initially, her friends thought it might be osteoporosis, but Aunt Jeng had taken precautions against that and hadn't recently injured her back. Professor Xior, who heads orthopedics at the 9th People's Hospital in Shanghai, pointed out that as people age, they often experience a decline in skeletal muscle mass and strength. This condition is known as sarcopenia. Aunt Jang specifically suffers from sarcopenia in her lower back muscles, making it hard for her to move freely and causing issues with sitting and standing. This case highlights the importance of older adults paying attention to their muscle health and taking steps to prevent muscle loss. The saying, "the skin sags when you get old," reflects a reality many elderly face: the loss of muscle mass. Statistics show that muscle mass starts to decline by 5 to 10% per decade after age 50, and by age 70, this loss peaks. The consequences of muscle loss, particularly sarcopenia, are severe. It can lead to fatigue, difficulty walking, and problems with daily activities, like bathing. It also increases the risk of falls due to balance issues, posing a serious threat to overall health. Additionally, sarcopenia can affect mood, potentially leading to depression and anxiety. This negative emotional state can further harm physical health. Moreover, muscle weakness can impact cardiovascular and pulmonary functions. Muscles play a crucial role in maintaining smooth movement and supporting the cardiovascular system. When muscles decrease, it becomes harder to deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, weakening overall health and increasing disease risk. Research also shows that as muscle mass decreases, immune function declines. A 10% decrease in muscle mass can lead to compromised immunity, while a 20% decrease results in muscle weakness and reduced ability to perform daily tasks. A 30% decrease further limits mobility, increasing the risk of fractures and other serious health issues. A 40% decrease in muscle mass can render older adults too weak to walk, with significant implications for internal organ function and overall mortality risk. Exercise and strength training are crucial for middle-aged and elderly individuals to combat muscle loss. Aerobic exercise helps restore muscle strength by increasing muscle mass and metabolic rate. It also improves waste product expulsion from organs and enhances insulin metabolism, which supports organ and blood vessel health, boosts immunity, and reduces infection risk. Recent studies have highlighted the benefits of exercise in slowing down aging. Moderate to high-intensity exercise, including strength training, has been found to significantly impact aging levels. It helps reduce the accumulation of lipids in the body, which contributes to maintaining muscle mass in older adults. In addition to exercise, a balanced diet rich in protein and vitamin D is essential for muscle health. Protein aids in repairing and rebuilding muscle fibers, thereby improving muscle quality and reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. It also regulates body fluid balance, enzyme production, and hormone composition, crucial for maintaining internal body functions and boosting immunity. Studies suggest that a diet with 25 to 35% protein is optimal for maintaining muscle health in older adults. Adequate protein intake supports immune cell activity and increases resistance to illness. Similarly, Vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption and utilization, vital for muscle growth and maintenance. It helps maintain muscle quality by balancing calcium and phosphate levels in the body. Research has shown that elderly individuals who consume higher doses of vitamin D, along with omega-3 supplements and a simple home exercise plan, have a lower risk of cancer. However, more clinical research is needed to confirm the full benefits of vitamin D on elderly health. By adopting regular exercise, strength training, protein-rich diets, and adequate vitamin D intake, older adults can effectively prevent muscle loss, maintaining their health and vitality. Starting these habits early can have significant long-term benefits, as seen in Aunt Jiang's experience. Her story serves as a reminder for middle-aged and elderly individuals to prioritize muscle health, ensuring a higher quality of life as they age. In summary, paying attention to muscle health through exercise, diet, and proper nutrition is crucial for older adults. These habits not only prevent muscle loss, but also contribute to overall well-being and longevity.